Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. Can you guys believe this is Sunday again? Well, I'm so excited today because in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 DIYs for summer for your interior design in your very home. I cannot wait to give you these ideas from floral arrangements to lanterns. Wreaths for your door is going to be so much fun. So if you are interested in summer DIYs, please stay tuned. Remember, we have over 10. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you already subscribed, don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you're notified about every single update coming this summer. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up because that really helps the channel. Are you guys ready to get started with the DIYs? Let's get started. Well, if you know me, you know that I also love a gorgeous lantern decorated for summer. And I love the way this one turned out with a cute little bouquet and the ribbon and our little Sophia inside holding a beautiful daisy. This was also super simple and affordable to make, and I really hope you give it a try. Alright, so I just want to show you real quick this beautiful wreath DIY that was super simple. As you guys can see, the contrast of the burlap and the door and the beautiful purple flowers are just perfect for summer. It is affordable, cute, and super easy. What do you think? How about this beautiful hand-tied bouquet with absolutely gorgeous cabbage roses and beautiful lilac? As you guys can see, this is also a really easy way in DIY to make your home look beautiful this summer. I cannot wait to read your comments. I really hope you guys are enjoying these super quick and easy DIY ideas for your home decorating this summer. I'm having a blast, but I cannot wait to read your comments. So be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know which project is your favorite. Bueno, como podrán ver, la corona quedó así y me encanta cómo los conejitos se ven con las flores. El moño quedó súper bonito con todas las colitas y como te dije, el video de cómo hacer los moños está abajo en la caja de descripción. Me encantó, pero no puedo esperar a leer tus comentarios, es que déjame un comentario y dime qué te parece. Hi you guys, so I figure I show you what the end result of the lantern is, and I just love to see the glitter bunny in the grass, and then also the flowers on the top and the beautiful bow just really tie in with all of the eggs that we put inside, and I think it really is the perfect harmony for this server table that I have right here in my dining room. I did have to mention that I forgot to tell you how to add the lilac, but we did add some of the lilac to go with the rest of our arrangements, so they're very cohesive. I cannot wait to read your comments, so let me know, what do you think? You guys, I just want to show you real quick what this wreath turned out to be like. It was super easy, super affordable to make with Walmart items, and believe it or not, dollar store lemons. Aren't those cute? I just love the little nut right here with the mom and the lemon and the succulent. And I love all the succulents in it. I think it turned out so cute. It is fresh looking, it is spring-like, and the black and white really adds that French feel to it. I love it, but I cannot wait to read your comments. So leave me a comment and let me know, what do you think? All right, you guys, so this is what the wreath looks like on the door. And I always recommend to give everything a flap once it's placed where it needs to be. And the other thing is that don't forget to dovetail your ribbons, because like I tell you all the time, if I come to your home and they're not dovetailed, I'm gonna ask you for a pair of scissors so I can do it myself. Because look, what a difference does it really make to have those dovetails on your ribbon. So what do you guys think? I cannot wait to read your comments. Okay, so I just want to show you real quick how adorable and whimsical this carrot bouquet looks like here in my living room. And I just love the fact that it really complements the furniture. It gives the room a little touch of whimsy, and it is so colorful. What do you guys think? So I want to show you real quick what this Easter basket turned out to be on the door. I love the way this looks. The way we did the bow is different, and the eggs, you kind of have to go on an Easter hunt to find them in the arrangement. When you get too close to the door, you can really see them, and I just think it turned out so beautiful. The combination of purple and pink is perfect for Easter, and I cannot wait to read your comments. What do you think? All right, you guys, well, that's all I have for today, and I really hope you enjoyed these 10 DIYs for summer for your interior design and decorating in your home. I cannot wait to come back with brand new ideas, and remember, we have a brand new summer DIY series coming back really soon. I cannot wait to read your comments, so be sure to leave a comment down below, like this video, and share with your friends so they know what's going on here at Ramon at Home, and I will catch you on the next one. Until next time, bye.